What's up, guys? Jake Fry the Car Guy here again with Walker Paul Tedders and JC Lewis Ford. And today I've got the pleasure of showing you the brand new 2024 F250 Lariat. Now this is our diesel 6.7 power stroke, 4-wheel drive sports package. It's a beautiful truck, it's an aggressive truck, and it's the truck everybody wants. And how you see it here today, it's got that custom Statesboro, Georgia upfit package, baby. You know you love to see it. We got the bigger, meatier tires. We got the dark tinted windows. We're gonna go ahead and dive right on into this thing. Starting off right at the front, you're gonna see the brand new redesigned 2024 Lariat specific front grille, front fascia. And I think it absolutely goes with that sports appearance package. Remember, one great thing about that sports package, you're gonna get color matching bumpers to match the body of the truck. It's super popular today, and it's a really great look. Speaking of the bumpers, you've got your heavy duty, super duty bumpers, and they've also got integrated in sensors, as well as fog lights and heavy duty steel front hooks, so that you can tow or extract just about anything. We've got that giant, absolutely massive, big blue oval badge up front with the camera tucked up under it very subtly, as well as cameras on either mirror that's going to give you that 360 top-down view. We've got a nice gloss black mirror cap here, and these are our power extending, power changing tow mirrors right there. So if you've got a big load, if you want to be able to see behind you, if you want comfort, but you also want capability while you're towing, this is the way to go. We've got some also, I believe these are 20-inch kind of graphite with some black center caps or black hubs there on our wheels, and they look absolutely fantastic with this blue on our Lariat F250 here today. Running boards extending down the length of the truck about 8 feet, black again. And one great thing that we saw with the redesigned body of the Super Duty trucks is step side beds coming back. So we've got a step position here. We've also got one integrated right into your tailgate right here. So it makes it super easy without even folding down your tailgate to access things inside and outside of your bed. Another great thing about our 2024 F250 is at the touch of a button, that tailgate's gonna go ahead and drop down automatically. The tailgate is super fancy, super well designed, because they've got an integrated tailgate step here as well. So if that bumper tailgate step is too high for you, especially after this beautiful level lift kit and giant tires that we put on here, you've got a step integrated right into your tailgate. And remember, you want to order that from the factory, because you've got to basically swap the tailgate to get that if you want to do it aftermarket. So remember, get it from Ford, get it right. You know, option it on your truck when you order the truck, and you won't have to worry about stuff being done correctly. Some other great stuff about our bed and our tailgate here, we've got our ONYX, that's a local spray-in liner that has a lifetime warranty. We can set those up for you, and Ford also offers a spray-in liner option. We also have our beautiful bed utility package. So touch of a button, your LEDs will light it up with that. We've also got a super cool access for your generator there with the disconnect and 2 3-prong chargers. So that's going to be super handy for you guys running out the work site. You've got to run a little power tool, something with a cord. You're going to be able to do it out of your 2024 Super Duty diesel truck. Remember that Ford Super Duty diesel is the best in class by thousands of pounds in towing. So depending on how you option the truck, whatever you need to tow, there's going to be a Super Duty that's equipped for you. We've also got some really cool measuring, basically a ruler here. So if you do, like we said, do some work, you can measure some equipment, lumber, whatever it is, you can do it right out of the Super Duty truck. Remember, the body style was redesigned, so we've got that super cool, larger kind of tailgate there. We've also got some backup sensors and the new redesigned giant tail light. So everybody's going to be able to see you in this big, beautiful truck. I'm going to go ahead and hop on in. We'll get a cold start for you, and we'll check out that beautiful Lariat luxury interior. check out the interior of this Super Duty. You'll notice all of the interior is matching. It's a really refined, nice look, from the black kind of leather of your Lariat seating here to the nicely appointed center console here. The center console was redesigned for the Super Duty, the new body style of the Super Duty. Plenty of space. You've also still retained those USB-C chargers and a storage tray. And remember, we actually demoed a really interesting storage tray that covers the length of the center console. So we'll drop a link in the description to that. Now, checking out our center console here, we've got one really cool little Easter egg that at the slide of this plastic piece right here, you can actually create 4 rather than 2 drink holder spots without losing the additional just kind of compartment here. So super cool. Ford engineers are thinking of everything, and they've even got a really nifty spot to hide your key. Keep a hidden key below your F-Series kind of rubber mat right here. So plenty of kind of fun Easter eggs, plenty of things to learn about your truck when you do get it. You've got your retractable console cover right here with a wireless QI or Qi charger, as well as a USB and USB-C. Our Lariat is known for luxury. It's known for being one of the nicer trucks at this price point in the market, if not the nicest. So you've got cooled seats as well as heated seats and a nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel to keep your hands warm on those warm winter days. It's also one of the safest trucks in the world, and there's tons of safety features that a lot of folks with a little bit older vehicle won't be familiar with. So you've got your lane keeping and blind spot, which will actually physically keep the truck in the same lane. And the blind spot will light up your mirror indicators yellow whenever somebody is in that blind spot, so you can make a safe turn. What you see here on our camera is our digital dash. That's about a 12-inch LCD screen. And in our 2024 Super Duty, it can show you just about anything. You see your My View there, so you can add or remove any kind of screens that you might want to see. So right now you see the general measurements on up. I went ahead and added that for the future owner of this truck. And you can customize it to just about anything you want to see. One awesome thing that you won't see in very many trucks at all is your heads-up display. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with your on the camera here today, but I can actually see it on your glass. And what that heads-up display does, it can show all kinds of data like your speed, the time, temperature, whatever you want to see, right at the touch of a button with on your windshield, so you don't have to take your eyes off the road while still checking important trip information. Some more great stuff about the cabin of this truck is the redesigned Sync 4 center productivity screen. So you've got 2 kind of options at any given time, so you can have zone lighting, your bed camera, backup camera, whatever the case is, your Pro Power onboard, which is that generator I showed you in the bed, even your off-road, like your gyroscope and your different angles for your axles. So really anything you want to see while you're still using your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, the built-in nav, or any of your great settings and features, you still are going to be able to access another important screen of your choosing in your 2024 F250. Now, one thing I showed you on the outside is that 360 top-down camera. Cameras on all 4 sides of the truck as well as the bed that lets you see every angle of the truck, and that's what that looks like there. But you've got a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options here for different camera views. So there's a front kind of standard lens. There's a trisected fisheye lens for you. We've got that, if your bed load is getting kind of crazy, we see our other finance manager there, Zach Jacoby. Shout out to him, doing a great job in Statesboro. Say your bed load is getting kind of crazy on the road, you can check it here at the touch of a button without getting out of your vehicle. Check your trailer options. There are also camera specific options for when you're towing a trailer. Remember, with the 2024 Lariat, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay as well as, go ahead and plug it in. 4-wheel drive, high and low at the touch of a button, as well as locking differential. And there's also some great drive modes for your different use cases for the truck. So you've got a slippery mode, an off-road mode, which will do a 4-wheel drive shift. You've also got your tow mode and an eco mode. So Super Duties, that diesel fuel is expensive. That eco mode's great for that. Towing gives you that integrated trailer sway controller, makes the job so much easier. And 2 awesome luxury features you also have in your Lariat. It's going to be that power back glass and that showstopper, that Ford panoramic moonroof. Look at that, guys. It goes all the way back so the kids can get a great view of the stars on your next camping trip, or on the way to the next work site. It really doesn't matter. Ford is offering you a great luxury truck, the most capable one on the market at a great price. If you want one of these great trucks, you know where to go. It's certified. It's certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. Hit up Jake Fry the Car Guy. Hit up Walker Paul Tedders. We're going to take great care of you. We guarantee excellent pricing on your vehicle, top dollar for your trades. And we're going to be having deals on our F-Series trucks all year. Stay tuned for more videos. Walker Paul, what else you got for the people?
Guys, stay checked in with us. We got the 24s coming in. It's been a bit of a slow start with production, but we've got them. They're starting to hit the lots. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit us up if you have any questions, or if you want to go ahead and get your new 24 Super Duty. Email us at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. But stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll be sending y'all some more stuff soon.
Like and subscribe now. Thanks.